how to use Google Drive. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started. If this is the first time for you to use Google Drive, this is the page that will appear for you. If you want to upload a file from Google Drive, you can either drag the file or the folder from your computer to here, to the window here. Let's try it and go and grab one of these and take it here and leave it. Once you leave it, it's gonna be uploaded. The other way is going to this plus icon titled new, click on it and choose file upload or folder upload. They are the same way, so let's upload a file. You click here on new and click on file upload or folder upload. If you want to upload a file, click on file upload and choose file from these and click on open. It will be uploaded to Google Drive. If you want to upload a folder, click on folder upload and choose any folder from here, like this or this, and click upload, and it will be also uploaded as a folder with all the files inside it to Google Drive. The next thing is creating a file. It's very easy also. Just click on new and create one of these files here: Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Form, and more. Let's create Google Docs for now. Let's click on it. Now our document is here. Let's type hello world. Let's change the view. Here is our file. So any file you create is going to be available in your Google Drive like this. You can also use the Google Drive as your own hard drive or SSD in managing files. So you can manage the files. Let's create a new folder. Let's name it new and click on create. Here it's our new folder, and you can drag whatever files inside this folder, and let's drag this into here. And now our file is here. You can use this to manage and organize your files. For sharing files and folders, it's very easy. You can share files and folders in Google Drive with whoever you want. So let's try share this folder with somebody. Let's just right click here, click on share, and choose the person. In order to give them the access, you can type any email you want here. When you choose the person that you want to share the file with, you can choose how you want this person to access the file. If you want him to be an editor, a viewer, or a commenter, you can choose it from here and click on send to send him the invitation, and you can copy the link from here. You can also choose to share the file with anyone with the link. It's now restricted, so we can change it to anyone with the link and choose the role from here. If you want anyone with the link to be a viewer, commenter, or editor, and click on copy link. After you finish what you want, you can click on done, and now you know how to share any file or folder with anybody on Google Drive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.